So Realme recently announced that it is bringing back the GT series in the Indian market. The company has now revealed the first phone under the GT series to launch in India this year. No, it is not the Realme GT 6, but instead it is the Realme GT 6T. Yep, quite an interesting name. This is a mid-range smartphone, and the main highlight of this phone is that it will be the first phone in the Indian market to have the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. As the name shows, this chipset is an upgrade over the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2, which as we know was a very powerful 7 series SoC last year. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 is even better, and speaking of benchmark scores, this chipset scores over 1.5 million points on AnTuTu benchmark. This is a similar score as some recent 8 series chipsets from Qualcomm. It is also worth mentioning that Realme already has a phone with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 in the Chinese market, named the Realme GT Neo 6 SE. So it is quite possible that the Realme GT 6T is just a rebranded GT Neo 6 SE. And if that is the case, the Realme GT 6T has a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 6000 nits peak brightness, Gorilla Glass Weak Test 2 protection, and 120Hz refresh rate. There is a large 5500 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging support, and the phone is IP65 certified. On the back, there is a dual camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel primary Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Along with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, the phone also has the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Well, based on these specifications, the Realme GT 6T should be priced around or under 35,000 rupees in the Indian market. And at that price, this phone will compete with the likes of iQOO Neo 9 Pro, Motorola Edge 50 Pro, the Nothing Phone 2 and more. The launch date is not yet announced, but Realme has revealed that the phone is launching this month itself. So, what do you think of the Realme GT 6T? At what price should this phone be launched? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.